What's the meaning of acoustics? Acoustics. 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 Acoustics refers to the scientific study of sound and its behavior in various environments. It involves the analysis, control, and optimization of sound waves and their interaction with objects and surfaces. Acoustics has many applications, from designing concert halls and recording studios to noise reduction in industrial settings and improving the sound quality of consumer electronics. In short, acoustics is the study of how sound travels through different mediums and how it affects us. Its importance lies in understanding the principles of good sound engineering and creating enjoyable and functional acoustic environments.